Namaste everyone. Asangoham Yoga welcomes you. I am Dr. Trupti Bhatt and I would like to bring some light on lymphatic system and yoga. Most of the people are not aware of this beautiful system which is responsible for your immune response. What is immunity? Immunity is the disease fighting ability of your self. And lymphatic system plays a vital role to bring your immunity up. Now, what is the role of yoga? Most of the time, we understand yoga as just the mere physical exercises. Yeah, if you can take it like that, that is also beneficial. But when you do yoga with the union of mind, body, and breath, doing your asana practice with that union, that helps you so much in your inner atmosphere. If you want to be calm and peaceful within, yoga is the only way to reduce your stress. And lymphatics acts when the extra fluid is there in your system. It picks up and it sends it back to the mainstream. And when you do asana, it helps to pump your muscles and pump that lymphatic vessels to work more efficiently. So do asana by inculcate this yoga practice in your daily routine. As I am a professional doctor, I know the importance of lymphatics. And when I do yoga, asana as a yogi, I exactly know where it works. And in my asana classes, I always precisely teach what is scientifically good for your health. So when I teach my asana, so I always make sure that my student understand by doing what asana, what lymphatic system is activating. So if you are doing all the asanas of your lower extremities with your leg, you are doing footwork. So in our calf, there are no pumps, but calf is the second heart. Always we say that. When we work with the calf and lower extremity, we press those muscles and they act as a pump to the lymphatic system. And it helps in venous return more better. So it goes in a heart to circulate more efficiently and it improves your immunity. So do asana practice by just understanding how your lymphatic system works. So I would invite you to do yoga practice and motivate others to inculcate asana and yoga in your life. And that once you do yoga with this rhythm of mind, body and breath, that will lead you to meditation. And meditation is the ultimate goal of a human life, to have that peaceful state of being that is always there within yourself. So go back to the source of happiness, that's what you are, and do yoga. Namaste.